Sekondi Takoradi was the stopover for the government town hall meetings on the e-levy on Wednesday, 2nd February 2022. Among the high-powered government delegation were the Finance Minister, Mr. Kenoforiata, Information Minister, Mr. Kojopo Nkrumah, and his deputy, Fatimatu Abubakar. Speaker after speaker explained that transfers for payment of taxes, fees and charges on the Ghana.gov platform will be exempted from the e-levy.
Obisi tax bi nye fair. Se sani ebeka na nke beka se tax bi eni ho ye fair. Ana de me na maye medjuma. E na bosumi aso na yetu ameka. Ade na wo se etiska ni bi koma aban. Me na me koto me petrol egu me car mu. Me ameka me koto petrol egu. Ade na wo se aban de to kakra to so na aban agi so de kwa koye kwan ho adwuma. Me na me koto ade wo store. Ade na bind value added tax ato so a OGB. Kebeka se ni na enye fair. Sa aso na tie se me na me transfer me sika na bind say de amedema MTN onfen ko ni krum. Vodafone say onfen ko ni krum no. Aban say yema na kakra no onfen ye kwan ya e wa he. Ye betumi ehunu se de bia enye fair ntie mpese etua na ya tena ba bia eche na. Ye betumi so ehunu se ye nyina ye keka ensa ase.
According to the ministers, the e-levy is one of the initiatives to be deployed by governments to mobilize domestic resources and bolster economic development. Mr. Kenoforiata stated that much accountability will be made on the expenditure of proceeds from the e-levy in order to ensure inclusiveness.
The other beauty of the e-levy tax is that it makes all of us responsible for protecting the public purse, and that is important because once you pay taxes, you have the moral authority to be able to require, certain performances from the political elite.
The minister noted that the e-levy is the surest way of putting the country back on the path of trajectory of inclusive growth, and if goes as expected, government hopes to invest 40 billion cedis each in education and healthcare, and an additional 80 billion cedis in other flagship programs earmarked within the next 3 years.